Well, I guess this is normal weather around here anymore. What's going on, everybody? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and today we're going to be revealing our newest shop project. And right there it is. Yep, it's an S10. It's a 2003 Chevy S10 Extreme. It's a decent little truck. We'll do a quick walk around here. As you can see, it is wrecked in the front, and that's why it's a project. But it's actually a 4.3 stick shift. It's a 5-speed. Has the 8.5-inch 10 bolt. Has all the extreme stuff. It's going to be a nice little project, I think. Obviously the frame's bent. The frame's trashed, so we have another donor truck here. It's got a good frame. It actually has a really nice cab on it. There's zero rust in the cab. It's already been stripped down. So we're going to take all the parts off this truck and transfer over to that truck. And it's also going to be our new shop truck. So I'm not going to reveal the color of the truck yet, but it's going to be a color that's familiar to the channel. So if you go back and look at some of the old videos, not even that old, some of the other videos, you can probably guess what it's going to be. But it does have a 4.3 in it right now. Stock 4.3 that was in the truck. We're pulling that out. We're going to keep the 5-speed. And we run over here quick. I do have a 5.3 motor, LS. It's fairly low miles. We're going to freshen up, just clean it up. It don't really need any freshening up. It was a good running motor. We're going to put a cam in it, probably a Texas speed cam, and just put it in that truck, and I think it'll make a nice little driver for us. So it will be the new Finding Fast Motorsports shop truck when it's done, and we're going to get started on it here in the next couple weeks, and we will have it done by Motorama in February, and we're going to try and take the truck there and kind of do a reveal there of the truck. Like I said, everything from this truck will be swapped over to this truck. This is a good frame, good cab. The 5.3 will be going in with a cam, and we're going to keep the stick shift, the 5-speed that's in this. It's got a good drivetrain. Other than the 4.3 is actually a good motor, we're just not going to use it. And actually over here by the 5.3, if you can see it, is another project we're going to start on here. It's actually right here. This is a bare frame, of course, but it's a 84 Chevy short bed 4-wheel drive square body pickup, and we're going to actually do a complete build on that. We have another 5.3 for it, and it was also a stick shift truck, but we're getting ready to send this frame out and have it sandblasted and powder coated. And this is going to be a little bit more extensive build than like the S10, so it's going to make a really nice truck. Actually, the body on it was super clean. The plan was to get this done and take it, but it's such a nice truck, I'm not going to rush it, and there's no sense cutting any corners at all on this. The S10 build, I have full confidence we can get that done in time. It'll be a lot less. It is a lot of work, but it'll be a lot less work than that short bed. We'll reveal the color here soon, but we're going to hold off for just a little bit, see if you guys can guess it. But in addition to being a shop truck, this is actually going to be a really sweet little truck. Not everyone likes S10s, I happen to, but it's going to be a nice clean performer. It's not going to be a race truck or anything like that, but we probably will run it at the track every once in a while, but it's not going to be incredibly fast or have a ton of power. It's going to sound good, it's going to run good, and serve us for our needs as a decent little shop truck. I'm really excited to do this project. I did a few of these trucks, but never a complete build on one, so I'm definitely excited to get this thing started. And it's actually going to serve two purposes. It's going to make a nice little shop truck to represent Finding Fast Motorsports and this shop, and it will also help clean up all the mess here. We have parts of S10 sitting around, might as well put them all to good use, take all the good parts, put into one useful truck. We have this truck, we have that truck, and we have this truck here that has still some good parts on it that we're going to use in this build also. So it's really twofold purpose. Get all of this, put into one useful truck, and it'll make a nice representation of the shop. So that's our shop update here. Stay tuned in to see progress on this one. And thanks for tuning in. Have a nice day, and please subscribe.